Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sherry and this week is Valentine's Day, so we're going to make a really sweet treat that probably everybody knows how to make, but we're going to make it special. We're going to make it in the shape of a heart. We're going to coat it in chocolate. We're going to make Rice Krispie treats. And so I say that everybody probably knows how to make it, but you know what? I always have to look on the box because I always forget. So we're starting with 3 tablespoons of butter, and I like to use the real stuff. And once it's melted down, we're going to go ahead and add in a bag of marshmallows. And we're going to hope our pan's big enough. So I've got a few of them in here. I'm just kind of stirring them around to get them kind of coated with the butter before I add the rest in. Got one stuck. There we go. Okay, so I'm just going to wait for this to melt down and kind of keep stirring it until it becomes a marshmallow cream. Once you've got your marshmallows and your butter all melted down and mixed together, you have this beautiful marshmallow cream. We're going to go ahead and turn off the heat and grab our bowl of Rice Krispies. So I've got 4 cups of Rice Krispies in here, and then I'm just going to add my marshmallow cream to that, and then we'll give this a stir. Once you got all your Rice Krispies nice and coated with the marshmallow cream, we can go ahead and transfer this to a 9 by 13 pan. It's so sticky. I might have to use my hands to get it out of here. It's really starting to stick. Okay. Let's use our hands to get it out. I don't know if that was any better of an idea. Can you tell it's been a while since I made these? Oh my goodness. What a mess. Well, I know you can buy these in a package now, but you know why I don't, or why I wouldn't, because I haven't made them in a while? Because they never seem to have enough marshmallow, but as you can tell, mine have plenty. They're all stuck to the side of the bowl. All right, I'm going to give my hands a quick wash. Okay, now we're ready to press it down into our pan. And I'll tell you the trick to keep it from sticking. Not that it really helped me there, but the trick to keep it from sticking is to just wet your hands a little bit, and then it won't stick. So I press down a little bit and then put my hands back in the water. And that allows you to press it down nice and even without getting it all over your hands like I had it a minute ago. The other great thing about this recipe is, you can let the kids help. So I just want to try to get this as even as possible because we're going to use some heart cookie cutters and we're going to cut out some heart shapes. And so I want to make sure they're all nice and even. And I'm just kind of pressing in my sides, kind of tucking them down there. And that is it. Looks good. Okay, so we're going to set this aside and let these firm up a little bit. All right, our Rice Krispies are all firmed up. So now what I've done is just grab a heart cookie cutter and we're just cutting out the shapes. And then, once I've got my nice little shape here, I took some paper and I cut little ends of arrows out of just pink paper. And what I also did was took lollipop sticks. You can get these at like Joann's. I think you can get them at Walmart now. And I just cut those in half and then glued the end of the arrows on there. So once I've got my little heart shape, then I'm going to poke these in the sides, just like that. And then we'll grab our white chocolate here. And I'm just going to hold this over a fork and we'll just drizzle this over the top. And try not to drop it in the, the little pan. Hopefully it doesn't get too heavy on one side. All right, and then I'm just going to kind of shake it off a little bit. Get all the extra off. And then once we've got the extra off, I'm going to move this over here so I'm not sprinkling it in my pan. But we're just going to put a few little sprinkles right on the top here. Or quite a few little sprinkles. And then I'm going to transfer it to a little piece of parchment paper, and then I'll put it in the fridge so that it can warm up. Not warm up. We don't want it to warm up so it can chill. And then when it's done, it'll look just like this. Isn't this so cute? So I'm not going to eat one of these because I'm sure you guys know what Rice Krispies treats taste like. Except for these are a little better because they have the coconut white chocolate on there. But I'm going to be saving these for my kids and my grandkids. So yeah, grab your kids, grab your grandkids, grab yourself a box of Rice Krispie treats and make up some of these little Valentines because these are really, really cute and they're easy to make. So I hope y'all have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.